Kelly, you're such a big girl. Wave to Grandma. Hi, Kel.
Hi, Grandma. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Alexa.
Peace.
Oh, you. How old are you?
7.
Going on what?
8.
Going on what?
8.
Going on what? What do you act like you're going on?
17.
Oh, you're silly. Okay. Again.
Girl power.
Are you repeating yourself? Are you getting old? You're repeating yourself.
No, I'm not repeating myself.
Oh, Hill. Hey, baby bunny. What are you eating?
Chips.
And what else? Nachos and cheese? Wow, you're getting big, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name?
Hillary.
Hillary.
I'm eating nachos with hot peppers.
Oh, cool. Kelly. Kelly. Hi, sweetie pie. You're getting big.
She is growing up because she is sitting in a big girl chair.
Are you? Oh, you are in a big girl chair, Kelly. You are growing up. Hi, sweetie pie. Oh, thank you. She wants to get Grandma nachos. Okay. Oh, she knows I have the camera now.
Christian, look how he's trying to get you. He wants kisses.
Since the last time we spoke, you have done a complete 180. I am seeing things differently now. And you do know that it wasn't long ago I was trying to convince you something had to be done about Tony and Megan. Yes, I know. And instead of working with me, you dished out one excuse after another why we shouldn't take action. Grace, I admitted that I was wrong. Okay, but while you make me stand here and grumble, we're wasting precious time. What lit a fire under you? I overheard Megan talking to her girlfriend. So?
No, don't try and pick him up. He's too big for you.
You've got to be kidding. No, would I care about something like this? When is this elopement supposed to take place? Well,
Okay, that. You can't pick him up. No. Okay.
Tape of her strangling him.
Jerry will say, that's how you watch my baby. No, don't pick him up. No.
Too big, honey. You're not that big yet. Okay?
She's just a little mommy today. Oh.
She's drawing a pumpkin face, Cody.
Are you?
Mm-hmm.
Look at his back. Show him like his back. Look at his back.
Okay. You want me to open it?
Okay.
There it is. Where'd you get this, Pat?
Oh, Kim's mom bought it for them when she was here in June.
Hello?
Hi, Kelly. Are you doing pumpkins too, sweetheart? Oh, you're here with your cousin Cody, huh? Hi, Cody.
Hello.
See if you're down there and get some.
I can't. I have a plug.
His earrings. Look at his earrings are pretty. Those earrings are pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Don't Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look at his face. He has a pretty face. That's funny.
That's funny. How sweetie.
Turn around, Tom.
Pat, get out of
Find
here.
it. I know, I can't find it. Can't find Tom's pumpkin.
Here, look.
Do this one first?
Yes.
Okay, there's
Yes,
the
Pat,
one
now do
pumpkin.
Here. There.
And there's the other pumpkin.
Hillary
And there's another pumpkin.
Hillary was tasting the lid.
Hillary taking a nap in Pep-Pep's bed. Hi, sweetie. Look at all her little wax friends with her.
Hillary, you know your boyfriend's going to see this when you're a teenager.
Isn't she beautiful? Hillary, you're beautiful, sweetie.
Say, I know.
Tell Aunt Ann what you did. Tell Aunt Beck what you did today. Get the tape out. It turns into a ham.
Hillary, look at Grandma. She's smiling too.
Here's the other one.
Smile too.
Hillary, tell Grandma what you did this morning. What'd you do this morning, honey? Hillary, what'd you do this morning? Did you go to the doctor's and get your tooth out?
Smile.
Smile for Grandma.
That was a smile.
Smile for Grandma Princess. Look up here and smile. You're beautiful. Oh, those are nice bears you have. Where'd you get those bears? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. They're too heavy, Mom.
Too heavy.
Mambo number 5 for Grandma.
I think I woke her. No good. Hi, sweetie. Hey, Allison. Hi, Allison.
Get your finger out of her mouth.
Welcome back. Pikachu.
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
Pika, Pika.
This is yours too.
Santa Claus
Show
knows.
Santa what you got.
Mommy, how does Santa know I like something?
Santa knows everything. Santa knows everything. Huh, Daddy? Do you get that open?
Allison.
Allison. Baby Allie.
Pinocchio.
Yay, Callie. Show Daddy, what is that?
Pokemon.
Daddy.
More
What did you
Pokemon, huh?
Whoa, more Pokemon stuff.
Show us something. I don't know what it is.
I see, honey.
It says stickers, write your own adventures, 100 stickers, postcards, poster, and 25 tattoos. Wow, that's pretty cool.
I got like 100 tattoos out of Philadelphia because I got almost like this set, but it's like a little bigger.
That one's Allison's. Here, I'll let you open this one. This one's Callie's.
What could Santa put in this box?
I don't know. Oh, Hillary needs one. Hillary, this is yours and Baby Allie's. Open that one. Here, honey, here.
That's a sweet.
Open.
That's a sweet.
Yes, that's Hosina. Open.
I don't know where the thing is. I don't know. Look at the side.
That's yours. I handed it to you.
I mean, like, I don't know.
It's all from Santa Claus. Looks like everything is from Santa. All from me and Daddy. What was that? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Daddy, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Millennium Princess.
Wow, that's beautiful. What is it? And Baby Allie's too. See what it says.
Hillary, look.
Look up. Honey.
Daddy,
This one's a Hillary too.
this is mine. Oh, Cow, you didn't have to buy me a present.
Hillary likes this.
I can put it on top of it.
That one's to you and Kelly.
Barbie. Hillary.
Hi.
Open this?
Say hi.
Put this over. Your poor Allie hasn't opened anything yet. You can help Allison open hers when you guys are done.
Tell Kelly you want to open
Hey,
yours
Allison.
and
Yeah,
mine.
that is Barbie. Open it.
How you doing? How you doing? Say hi.
Come on, Kelly, you want to
That's a
open
girl.
yours?
Kelly, do you want to help Alexa? No, she's watching this. That's okay. They just have to share with her card, I guess. Honey, you have more toys. Here. Open. She doesn't want to open anything else.
I know something's Snow White. Kelly, look what Santa got us.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Oops, wrong way. That's it.
Well, here, honey, open this one
Ooh.
first. We'll play with that one. There's the other box. Uh-oh, what did you get? Oh my goodness, look! Hillary got Millennium Princess too!
Millennium Princess like black stuff? And this is mine.
She's done.
I see.
She doesn't want to open anything. She's got this thing. She loves it.
Okay.
Go ahead and grab more reward. Okay, that's... There are others over here. Well, go see his... There's more presents back there. Who's his for?
You know what I forgot to do?
Here, honey, this one's for you. That one's for Callie, that's right. This one's for Hillary. It's a Christmas tree.
Mom? Mommy, look.
Whoa.
Mine again.
that?
They're Pokemon. You get to catch Pokemon.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Yes, that's yours. Hey, Callie, do you want to open some of these?
No, it's a Pokeball blaster.
Anything about Pokemon?
Hey, you'll tell me everything.
Here, Callie, this is yours.
Game Boy Color.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Whoa, Daddy, look. It's Game Boy Color.
Ooh.
And what game is that?
Pokemon.
Pokemon game. Whoa.
Mommy.
Pluto.
Oh my goodness, yes.
As soon as we're done, okay? Yeah, as soon as we're done, Daddy will help you walk him.
I don't think so. Is this one mine? Oh my gosh, this one's heavy.
Okay, but you have more presents. See? One more.
Disney trivia.
Oh, there's even more for you,
Disney
Alexa.
trivia. Mommy, is this mine?
Yes, that's yours.
Can I open it? Disney trivia.
Mm-hmm.
You have that game yet? Hey, Kelly, look at all these presents you have to open.
Mommy, dress pants were here.
All right, good.
These are ones that I got from These are like the ones that I got from Philadelphia. And I don't have these colors.
Good.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to wear
You can wear this today after we get out of our dress clothes from church, huh?
Yeah, I want to wear my first clothes.
Whoa, what's this? Oh, from the Disney store, Daddy. I might use the box cutter for this. I don't
Married.
know if it's open or not.
Mommy, I'm married.
You're married?
Yes.
You're married?
I'm married.
That's open.
Two hours.
Ah, it's already, let's see. Here, he'll open up this box.
2 hours. 2 hours.
Look, Hillary. Come here, look. Who's on there? Dress clothes. Or Disney dress clothes. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Body.
Ariel. These are clothes?
You know what? Oh, yeah. You can also use this as a costume.
Yeah, then.
Is she gonna open any other gifts?
Kelly, I don't know. We're gonna have to help her. Okay, we'll put it back in and we'll place it later, okay? Here, Kelly, let's get your gifts open here. She loves that. Here, Kaka, look. Kelly, look. Kelly,
Open it?
go ahead and open hers, Miss Alexa. You show her what she got. See if maybe she'll form paper, too. Look, Kelly, what's your other gift?
You try. You try.
You like that, too?
I think she came or she loves us more after that.
Thank you, she said.
Look what Santa
Why'd you open something for her?
Yeah, she's opening Ellie's now. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a baby toy. That's cute. Here, Callie, look
Like
at
a little lizard or something.
Uh-oh, what is this? Oh, no. What Kelly got? What is
She's
that?
not old enough.
We're bowling. I guess she's gonna have to learn, huh?
I'll teach her how to vacuum.
Do you?
What's that,
Look,
Mommy?
we're bowling.
Huh?
Bowling. Alexa will teach you how to play. Mommy doesn't know how to bowl.
You just gotta use these a little lighter because you don't want to waste it.
No, you have to roll it and knock the pins
Because
over.
since these are so light, they could go up in the air.
Oh, yeah? No way, they don't like.
To Alice.
Here, Callie, there's another one. You're not
Allie, another present.
open it. That is yours. It's beautiful. Or you can hold it and love it.
Allison. Allie.
She have her seatbelt off. Allison's have her seatbelt off.
Yep, I got one too. That's Alexa's right here.
Daddy, oh, look what you got, Callie. Daddy, she got a Pikachu.
Oh, Kelly got one.
I got a little baby Pikachu.
Mommy, looking.
Go see if there's more for Allison down there. And then there's the stuff for you and Alexa from last night. I can't see a thing. I've got my glasses on. I can't see her. Does she like it?
Yeah. She was smiling.
Aw.
going, Kelly?
She was smiling.
There's more, Callie.
Honey.
You can play with your toys, Callie.
No, Cal, look.
She's done. She's going back to bed.
Kelly, look.
You like that? You and Callie and Alexa can play that, huh? There's more stuff down here.
For Allison. Help Allie open. You want to help Allie? Here, take this over and open it for her and show her. Take it over to her, honey. She can't
You
see
want to
it.
try?
Just take it over where she can see it.
Oh,
You okay?
No, a good idea. There you go. Go. Okay, she doesn't want to.
No, she wants to see the present.
Sally, Sally.
What is it? I
I
can't
think
see.
it's a reindeer.
Oh, how pretty.
Cal, Cal.
Oh, where's the button? We need batteries.
Oh, how nice. It's beautiful.
Hi, Allie. You're probably getting everything you wanted.
Does Allie like that, Hillary? What else have you found? You find yours in Lexi's stuff?
Yeah. Alexa, these are yours.
Mommy.
What's that, Lex?
Mommy. You just talk to me.
What is it? Let me see. Oh, how beautiful. I'm talking to you, honey. I see
We
you.
went to a party last week.
Mommy,
And those
take it
are yours
out.
from that.
Yeah, Santa was upset because you weren't there, so he gave us a toy for you.
Hey, oh. Say. Next time you see them, can you say I said hi?
Sure.
Ooh, a porcupine.
What is that? A porcupine. Where's that from?
Hey, Cal, Cal, come here.
Is that Uncle Chip and Aunt Judy?
Uh-huh. Look, Mommy. Look, Mommy.
What is that, Hillary? That's a chalkboard. And you can put paper on it and draw on it.
What is that?
What?
Is that
For his announcements.
That's Aunt Ann and Uncle Mike
Yeah.
and all that. Oh, cool.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
And it's a pillow, right?
Crazy.
Oh, so you can write in the car. That's what's on your lap in the car. And then you can draw stuff on the other side. It's a hard spot for you to draw on. That's a good idea, huh? For all those trips back and forth.
I can't.
Did Daddy open his yet? These
This is
clips are really
funny,
funny.
too.
Yes. Oh, Santa Claus gave you that
I was
today?
trying to
Last
sleep,
week?
but I wouldn't wake her up.
I know. That's why I didn't bother you.
Good.
What is it?
Thoughts.
Oh, cool. Allison's talking to her.
Yes. Yes.
A nice shirt.
Oh,
Instead of a
good.
t-shirt from us.
Oh, that's nice.
Ticklish little girl, Mommy.
Huh?
It's gonna be a ticklish
Yes,
little
she
girl.
is ticklish. Okay, where's Kelly
Better
at?
check your stocking.
There she is. Kelly's drinking her bottle in the hallway. Well, you're gonna have to help them with this. Put the stockings down. Hillary, check out your
Hillary,
stocking.
come check out your stocking.
See if there's something in it. Uh oh. You can make it through.
What's this sticking out of Hillary's stocking?
I got Barney something.
What's yours, Hillary?
Okay, that's how.
Give her her whole stocking. Go ahead and take the tacks out of it, 'cause there's all. That's yours.
That's yours. Here.
Take Alexa.
Cow.
See what's inside. What did you get? Oh, good. Let's see what Lexa got in hers.
Heavy.
Chocolate kisses, all good.
What's yours, Mommy?
Chocolate kisses and a candy cane. What else is in there? Anything?
Presents.
And what else is in your stocking?
Whoa! I shouldn't have dumped that.
No.
But looky, Pokemon cards! Pokemon cards!
Oh, good.
Mommy, Santa Claus bubblehead. I shouldn't have dumped this out, Mommy.
Well, you can put it all back in.
That's what I have to do. I should have just looked in there.
Yeah. Hillary, can you open it up and look inside the stocking? Is there anything else in there?
Don't dump it out. There's probably candy.
What's Kelly doing? Is she looking at hers?
Playing the brownie.
She's laying on her bottle.
Oh. Wow. This is dangerous.
Yeah, be careful.
Don't step on my Game Boy Color.
What is that, a gift there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Game Boy Color.
No, that present there. What's Hillary trying to open?
Oh, you want one?
Oh.
You want
You
Daddy
can
to
open it.
Yes.
Ooh, can I have some too?
Yes.
Hey, come here, I got a question for you.
And how does Santa Claus know I like Reese's Pieces?
I don't know.
Whoa! Come on.
Heavy.
I want big hugs and kisses.
Is that
Come
yours?
here.
Yeah, that's Allison's.
Give me a big
She
hug.
got that from Santa the other day when he gave that other thing.
Alexa, why don't you, we have to hurry because it's
Open up that present.
Oh.
Open up that present, Alexa. Don't worry about the Pokemon. We have to get ready to go to church.
Ooh, headband.
Oh, all right.
Ball.
Good.
Ball.
There are these colors.
Yeah, cool.
And the blue sparkles.
Okay, everybody, wave at the camera.
Ba.
Yeah, ball. That's all she cares about. Bye, Allie. Okay, we're going to get ready to go to church now. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hillary, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Probably not. He's talking.
All right, I told you to go to my house.
Where are the girls? You know, it's really dark in here, so this isn't going to work out so good.
Where the hell's the light you need to fit on the top?
I didn't buy one. I'm cheap.
Oh, wow.
Let's see.
James.
Where's
We don't have an IMAX screw.
my button I want to push? Right there. Hey, Kim,
Kim.
my camera already has January 1st, 2000, and it's running.
cool.
flashing. The little light's flashing.
Yeah, it's recording, and it has January 1st, 2000. And we still have 15 minutes.
You're gonna have to handle it, Kim. You're gonna have to handle the channel selector.
Yeah, they changed.
I was trying to get you, Peggy.
Here we are.
Come on in here and sit down.
Look at me.
Come on over, baby.
You can see.
Melissa.
It's really dark, so this isn't going to turn out very well.
But you got a light on it, don't you?
I didn't get a light for mine.
Push your baby, Bill.
Is everybody in?
Holler for your mother, Melissa.
Answer it.
Who you for?
Nobody. It's ringing.
Cal.
Maggie!
Alexa.
Come on, 30 seconds. Run. Hurry. Oh, you missed it. Better hurry up.
Alexa.
Your phone was ringing, Pam. Yeah, Mom got it.
Watch everything go flat.
Dude, get the poppers ready. Poppers ready.
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Ready, count.
2000 Happy New Year! Woo! Alexa! Alexa! Telephone!
16,000.
Happy New Year! Cheers!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
And we're done. Yeah, you won. You won, Star.
Who's cheering with me? Cheers! 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 Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, sweetheart.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, sweetheart.
Happy New Year, baby.
Boy, those poppers stink. Happy New Year! Did they? Aw.
Happy year 2000. Happy
Yay!
year 2000, baby.
And my camera's working! Tom, the camera didn't die. It's working.
That's all over, boy. Your celebration will start now. Your celebrating will start now.
What date is it at?
Huh?
What date is it at?
It's been on January 1st, 2000. Before it even did anything else.
Oh, we turned right over.
Yeah, I turned right over.
Okay, and our lights are on. Okay.
And the lights are on. It stinks in here, but that's from the poppers.
The lights are working. How about that? Like nothing,
Yeah, that's stuff.
just like last year. Okay, I guess we got water. There's his light.
I'm so happy to celebrate you. Like, oh yes, it's Jesus.
Where's the bag? Where's the bag? Just get the bag there.
Now that is dangerous.
I didn't hear.